12 years of school, 4 years of college, hundreds of thousands of dollars in tuition, and not one class, not one single lesson taught you how to turn $1,000 a month into life-changing wealth. They taught you the Pythagorean theorem. They taught you the mitochondria as the powerhouse of the cell. But they never taught you how money actually works. That ends today. I'm Nick, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact $1,000 a month investment plan that schools never taught you, but wealthy people have been quietly using for decades. Stay with me. This one is different. First, let's talk about why $1,000 a month. Maybe you're thinking, I don't have $1,000 a month to invest. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to find that money, even if you think it doesn't exist. But first, let's look at what $1,000 a month actually does. At a 10% average annual return, the historical average of the S&P 500, here is what happens to your money. After 10 years, $204,000. After 20 years, $765,000. After 30 years, $2,260,000. You put in $360,000 of your own money over 30 years. The market turns it into $2.2 million. That extra $1.9 million, you didn't work for it. You didn't hustle for it. You didn't wake up early for it. The market did it for you while you slept, while you lived your life. That is the power of compound interest, and it is the greatest wealth-building tool ever created. And school never mentioned it once. Now, let's break down exactly where that $1,000 goes every single month. This is not guesswork. This is a proven, simple system. $500 goes into an S&P 500 index fund. This is your foundation, your wealth base, low cost, highly diversified. You're buying a piece of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all 500 of America's biggest companies in one single investment. Set it, forget it, let it grow. $300 goes into your Roth IRA. Remember, this money grows completely tax-free. When you retire and withdraw, the government gets nothing, not a single dollar. That $300 a month over 30 years could be worth over $600,000 completely tax-free. $200 goes into a high-yield savings account. This is your emergency buffer, your safety net, the money that stops you from touching your investments when life hits you unexpectedly. Right now, top high-yield accounts are paying over 4% interest. Your money grows while it waits. $500 index funds, $300 Roth IRA, $200 high-yield savings. Simple, clean, powerful. This is the plan school never gave you. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds great, but I don't have $1,000 a month. I hear you, and I'm not going to ignore that. But I want you to do something right now. Pull up your last 30 days of bank statements and look, really look at where your money went. Because here's what most Americans find when they actually do this. $200 to $400 on eating out and food delivery. $150 on subscriptions they forgot they had. $100 on impulse purchases. $100 on coffee runs and small daily spending. That's $650 to $850 a month, not on needs, on things they barely remember buying. I'm not here to tell you to never enjoy your money, but I am here to tell you the $1,000 is already there for most people. It's just being spent before it's being invested. The difference between the wealthy and everyone else is not income, it's decision. Decide to invest first. Spend what's left, not the other way around. And if you genuinely cannot do $1,000 right now, that is completely okay. Start with what you have. $200 a month at 10% returns over 30 years is still $452,000. $500 a month is $1.1 million. The number is not the point. The habit is the point. Because here's what nobody tells you. Your income will grow over time. Your expenses will get smarter over time. And every raise, every bonus, every side hustle dollar gets added to the investment plan. Most people who invest $1,000 a month at 40 started with $100 a month at 25. The plan grows with you. You just have to start it. $200 today beats $1,000 tomorrow, every single time. So here is your action step. And I want you to do this before the week is over. Open a Roth IRA today. Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, all free to open. Takes 15 minutes. Put in whatever you can, even if it's just $50. Then set up an automatic monthly transfer, whatever amount works for you right now. Why does this matter so much? Because the hardest part of investing is not the money, it's starting. Once the account is open, once that first transfer goes through, the psychological barrier is gone. You are now an investor, and investors think differently. They make different decisions. They build different futures. Open the account, make the transfer. Start this week. Let's bring it all together. The $1,000 a month plan. $500 into S&P 500 index funds. $300 into your Roth IRA. $200 into a high-yield savings account. That's it. No complexity, no Wall Street jargon, no financial advisor charging you 2% a year. Just a simple, consistent, powerful system that school never taught you, but that changes everything if you start today. $1,000 a month. 10% average return. 30 years. $2.2 million. The school system failed you once. Don't fail yourself twice. I'm Nick. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe right now because next week I'm showing you exactly how to open and set up your first Roth IRA from scratch. Smart money, smarter life. See you in the next one.